We have gathered user reviews and expert insights from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive review of the Bimormat RGB mousepad, LED light gaming mousepad with rubber base, the XXL colorful computer carpet desk mat for PC and laptop, model 9040 Arcomomo. If you own this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description using it supports the channel. The Bimormat RGB mousepad stands out in the crowded market of gaming peripherals due to its combination of size, lighting features, and practical usability. Measuring 35.4 by 15.7 inches, this XL mat is large enough to accommodate both a full-sized keyboard and a mouse, with additional space for a smartphone or other accessories. This extra surface area is particularly appreciated by users with expansive desk setups or those who prefer a unified surface for both keyboard and mouse, reducing the friction and interruptions caused by smaller, separate mouse pads. The mat's dimensions make it suitable for gaming, productivity, and creative workflows, as it provides a seamless platform for extended mouse movements and keyboard stability. One of the most celebrated aspects of the Bimormat RGB mousepad is its integrated RGB lighting. The lighting runs along all four sides of the pad, creating a vibrant and immersive atmosphere that enhances the visual appeal of any gaming or workstation setup. Users consistently praise the brightness and evenness of the LED strip, noting that the colors are vivid and the transitions between lighting modes are smooth. There is a clear consensus that the lighting adds a fun, modern touch to the desk, with many reviewers mentioning that it complements other RGB peripherals and helps unify the overall aesthetic of their setup. The lighting is controlled via a simple one-touch button, allowing users to cycle through different color modes without the need for additional software or drivers. This plug-and-play functionality is especially valued by those who want immediate results without complicated installation processes. The mousepad is powered by a micro USB connection, and the included cable is praised for its generous length, making it easy to route and connect to a PC or USB hub, regardless of desk configuration. The plug-and-play nature of the pad ensures compatibility with a wide range of devices, including PCs, laptops, and gaming consoles. Users highlight the convenience of being able to quickly set up the pad and switch between lighting modes with a single touch, making it accessible for both novice and experienced users. In terms of surface quality, the Bimormat RGB mousepad features a smooth, waterproof fabric that is designed to resist spills and stains. This is a significant advantage for users who frequently eat or drink at their desks, as accidental spills can be easily wiped away without damaging the pad or affecting its performance. The smooth texture of the surface provides minimal resistance, allowing for fast and accurate mouse movements. This is particularly important for gamers who require precise tracking and quick reflexes, but it is also beneficial for professionals who use graphic design or editing software that demands fine control. The pad's surface strikes a balance between speed and control, catering to a variety of user preferences and mouse sensor types. The base of the mousepad is constructed from ultra-thick natural rubber, which serves two important functions: stability and comfort. The anti-slip properties of the rubber base ensure that the pad remains firmly in place, even during intense gaming sessions or rapid mouse movements. This is especially important for users with glass or smooth surface desks, where lesser pads might slide or shift. The thickness of the rubber also provides a slight cushioning effect, reducing fatigue during extended use and offering a more comfortable experience for the wrists and hands. Build quality is another area where the Bimormat RGB mousepad receives positive feedback. Users report that the stitching around the edges is durable and helps prevent fraying, a common issue with larger cloth mousepads. The LED strip is securely attached and does not detach or peel away with regular use. The overall construction feels solid and well made, with many users commenting that the pad exceeds their expectations given its price point. The weight of the pad at 1.76 pounds adds to its sense of stability and quality without making it cumbersome to reposition if needed. When it comes to aesthetics, the Bimormat RGB mousepad is frequently described as beautiful and eye-catching, especially when illuminated in a dim or dark room. The lighting effects can be customized to match the rest of a gaming setup, and the pad itself serves as a statement piece on the desk. Several users mentioned that the mat was purchased as a gift and was very well received, with recipients appreciating both its visual impact and practical benefits. Performance-wise, the pad delivers on its promises. The smooth surface ensures that mouse movements are effortless and consistent, with no noticeable drag or resistance. This translates to improved accuracy and responsiveness in games, as well as smoother navigation during everyday tasks. The waterproof coating is effective, with users confirming that spills bead up on the surface and can be easily wiped away. The anti-slip base performs as advertised, keeping the pad anchored even during vigorous use. Despite its many strengths, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. The XXL size, while advantageous for most users, may be too large for smaller desks. Some reviewers note that the pad just barely fits on compact workspaces, so it is important to measure your desk before purchasing to ensure a proper fit. Additionally, while the lighting is bright and attractive, it is limited to preset modes controlled by a single button, and there is no software for advanced customization or integration with other RGB devices. For users who desire highly customizable lighting effects or synchronization with other peripherals, this may be a limitation. Another minor point is the use of micro USB for power rather than the more modern USB-C standard. While this does not affect performance, it may be a consideration for users who prefer to standardize their cables or who have moved entirely to USB-C devices. However, the included cable is long and flexible, mitigating most potential issues related to connectivity. User reviews from across various platforms consistently highlight the pad's value for money. With an average rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars from over 350 ratings, the Bimormat RGB mousepad is recognized for delivering high-end features at an accessible price. Users appreciate the combination of size, lighting, surface quality, and build integrity, often comparing it favorably to more expensive alternatives. The pad's popularity as a gift item further underscores its broad appeal and suitability for a wide range of users, from gamers to professionals to students. In summary, the Bimormat RGB mousepad LED light gaming mousepad with rubber base offers a compelling blend of aesthetics, functionality, and durability. Its XL size provides ample space for both keyboard and mouse, making it ideal for gaming and productivity alike. The RGB lighting adds a dynamic visual element that enhances any setup, while the smooth, waterproof surface and anti-slip rubber base ensure reliable performance and easy maintenance. The pad is easy to set up with intuitive controls and a plug-and-play design that requires no additional software. While the size may be a limiting factor for smaller desks and the lighting customization is somewhat basic, these are minor drawbacks in the context of the pad's overall strengths. Based on aggregated user feedback and expert analysis, the Bimormat RGB mousepad is an excellent choice for anyone seeking to upgrade their desk with a stylish, functional, and affordable accessory. Whether you are a gamer looking for improved precision and atmosphere, a professional seeking a clean and organized workspace, or simply someone who appreciates the fusion of form and function, this mousepad delivers on all fronts. For those considering a purchase, the link to the product is in the description. Using it helps support the channel. If you own the Bimormat RGB mousepad, please share your experience in the comments to assist others in making an informed decision.